So that's that. Let's go to, if we go to the U, we are doing this so that we can have words that can be represented in this. In U, we have U, and U. So throw it means pierce, joke. It is describing the piercing, joke. It's describing piercing. Then vu means catch or hold. Then goop, to prevail truth or surpass an argument. When somebody, you say ngupu, you have conquered in an argument, you have surpassed, you have prevailed with truth. Agupi, ingupu. So and the second word in the line, which is supposed to be u, is gop. Gop. You're baffled. And then gop, same spelling but different sounds. Gop, 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 and gop. Gop means to leak, leakage, and that's that. Well, for now, we have a book means complete and all together. Nothing is missing. Book, and then bot means to grow. Bot means to grow. Kudu means whole. Kudu means whole, and it could mean another thing. That's like that. With subsequently, we'll know what it will mean. So far, let's cut this lesson like that, and then at this point, and then we'll go up to the other thing. In the next lesson, we'll look at, or let's just look at you and be done with it. Or let's make it another lesson. This now we have u, and u, and u. With you can say bro with that arrow pointing upwards, the high sound. Bro with a high sound means to pull or drag. Bro means to pull or drag. But that is from the angle of command. If you are going to say bro can means you're dragging with me. You're dragging with me. Or bro can be matured. Abro, that is, he is matured. He's old or he's matured. But here we are having an arrow pointing high. So it's bro. It means pull or drag. But if you remove the high sound symbol and you replace it with the middle sound symbol, it means bro. It means mature or old, or dragging with you, argument. Are you dragging with me? Me. So that is that. Are you dragging with me? But then let's go to you with a low sound symbol, which is u. Then we have dup. Dup means mix. But if you go forward to the last word, is o, and you take the same spelling of dup, and you combine it, and you use the middle sound symbol, it becomes dup. Dup means uproot or remove, either from the ground or from dup, but it's mostly used in uprooting. So then let's go line 2. Tuk means burn or punish. Duk Dukami, burn it for me. Dunawu means punish him or scold him. Will be punish or scold. Uh-huh. Vuk, vuk. It is a description of a fall of an object. Mind that. Description of a fall of an object. Vuk is to fan something like vuk, vuk, vuk. And that vuk can be like those that are flaming the embers of fire, the embers of discord. Then we have line 3. Kumu, kumu, or kumu can mean, kumu means to hit, like when a bull hits you or somebody hits you like this or like this or with your head, boot, like booting, like how a bull will boot with his head. A human being will give you a booting with his head or a push to make you stagger backwards or to run into a thing and it breaks or it shifts. You can use the word kumu with the high sound arrows in all the U's. And then bun, it means to stir, stir up something or stir your food or stir up problem. Bun, just confuse an area. Bun can also go for it. So, but bun primarily is to stir something, stir to, like when you're cooking, you're stirring your soup, you're stirring your tuwo, you're stirring your rice, you're stirring whatever. That's bun or mixing. Then zouk, chase or send away. Zouk means chase or send away.